Alright, I sprayed them black. I'm using this big old turbo can, which it just paints it a lot quicker than a regular can. So anyways, you have to spray the spray foam with paint, or it's just going to, the sun is just going to destroy it and flake it into powder. So anyways, this is the first step. I'll probably flip it over just to catch the edges so once it dries. And I'll just keep videoing in my process. Look at that. Here is a lantern fly. But anyways, so keep going. We're going to fill it with ferns and all kinds of stuff. It probably won't look the best because it's already August and it's not the, you got to do this, plant them in the spring. So, but anyways, this will be the first coat.